Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at a OnePlus Nord. So what we need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If we remove the plastic here, we will have this little black box here. What's very nice, by the way, we have a case included, and in that case we will find the instruction box. Open it here, and here is the SIM ejection tool. Just remove it like this, and there it is. And by the way, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is the little hole in there. Please mind that you use this hole, which one is part of the SIM tray, not this one, because this one is the microphone. So use this hole here, which one is part of the SIM tray. And now with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Yeah, so this is the SIM tray here, and we are able to insert two SIM cards, so one on the top and one below. And to know which one is the first or the second place, you can have a look here at the plastic. There is written which one is the first place and which one is the second. Okay, so let's start with the first SIM card. So put it like this, so that the contacts are on the top and the missing corner should be here at the missing corner. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. As I said, you insert it in the same way. So just insert it like this. So now it's inserted. So also missing corner, and the contacts are on the top. So if you're ready with, so just turn it that the hole is here, so that the hole is on the hole here, like this, and insert your construction, and be sure that it's well closed because the phone is waterproofed. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you how to insert the SIM cards and so on. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.